So hello guys, welcome. The TENERE Travel Trophy 2025 is almost starting. I'm going to drop my bike off at Moto Hippo because I have the dealer package. The bike gets transported to Denmark and then we're gonna ride 7 days. I'm excited. It's a little bit windy now here. I'm going to strap the large bag. Let me get it. This one. It has all the camping gear and my riding gear, helmet and stuff in it. That's going on the bike as well. And when I'm there, I have the travel package. So my luggage can go in the truck every day. And I'm just riding with the bottom Lonerider bag for my camera. And my rain clothes and spare tires and that kind of stuff. Some tools, nothing more, nothing less. So I'm gonna get the bike off the trailer right now and then I'm gonna bring it inside. So stay tuned. So this looks pretty awesome, but I put the large bag on the saddle for the transport with a poncho because then it stays dry. So now I'm gonna turn it inside and then we're going home again. Yeah. Kom. Hello. Yeah. So just dropped the bike off. All those bikes are already there. Jarno, Dan and Niels are gonna ride to Denmark. Unfortunately, I don't have the time for that. So I'm going in the plane, which is very nice. Would love to see that Denmark, but maybe sometime next year. So just dropped off the bike at Moto Hippo. The trip is going to be 7 days, 6 days of riding. Day 1 is an experience track with motocross, enduro stuff, so you can really check out the skills. And then we're roughly going to ride this route. The official GPX files need to be sent to us, so when we got them I can really check out the route and see what we can expect in those 7 days. Very excited. Bye.